A very warm and a pleasant good morning to all my lovely, cute little kids of class 6. I welcome you all in today's class. Today we are going to just recapitulate whatever we have studied in the last class, that is about verb, right? And we are going to once again recap all the things along with the practice of exercises that will be done in the class itself. So you have to maintain silence, keep your copies and pen ready. Wherever you will feel like you have to note it down. If I say please note it, children, who shall sit properly? Who shall sit properly? You have to note it down in your copies, right? You have to take care that whether you are noting it down or not. If something very important is there, I will obviously say that children, please note it down. So you all are going to do the same. When you all are studying, please don't discuss with anyone. Pratik, sit properly. Pratik, sit properly. Pratik. Pratik, I was talking to you and you were talking to your sister, I think. Sit properly and sit straight. Pratik.
बाद में कॉल करती हूँ, करके काटती हूँ इतने सारे लोगों को। तो क्लास के बीच में क्या करूँ? बात करते रहूँ?
Okay. Now let's start our class. I am muting everyone. Please listen to me very carefully. As we have discussed about verb, I told you all about two main branches. That is, one is the main verb and another is the auxiliary verb. Main verb, you all know it very well. Any kind of work which is done, that is known as main verb. The word which helps the main verb is known as auxiliary verb or helping verb. We have done everything. We have understood also. We have gone through all the steps. Now it's turn to recapitulate the particular lesson once again. And along with that, we are going to solve the exercises in the class right now itself. And randomly, I will call the name and you have to answer me. Clear? I will call anybody's name and you have to answer me. That is I will not give you chance to talk or to discuss. Now, let us start with it. So let's start with the recapitulation of the grammar portion of your verb. Yes. So in front of you, you can see correct use of verb exercises with answers. It will be there. Dave, take care of all these things. Right? Correct use of verb exercises with answers for you all. Verb comes from the Latin verbum, meaning a word. It is also so called because it is the most important word in a sentence. A verb is a word used to assert something about some person or thing. Assert means वो क्या काम कर रहा है वो बताने का काम करता है. Dave, will you stop all these things? Or I shall remove you from my class. Shall I remove you from my class, Dave? What a person or thing does as he sings a song. So what is that he is doing? Sings. The clock ticks. The teacher scolded him. The window pane is broken. What a person or thing is as the lion is dead. I feel sorry for what I did. So any kind of work which is done is known as verb, that is very clear in front of you. And you can say, I will remove. Once again, if I see Dave doing all these things on my screen, then the child will be removed from my class forever. There are different forms of verb beta. You have heard V1, V2 and V3. So here it is in front of you. There are three forms of verb: infinitive, past simple and past participle. I request my kids to write down this in your copy. It is very, very important. Or if you want to write it afterwards, you can take a screenshot. There are three forms of verb: infinitive, past simple or past participle. I request my students to take the screenshot of the same screen. Beta, when I'm teaching now, I request you all not to disturb in between. Yes, Kumar. Yes, Kumar Pal.
मैम portal में होगा this slide will be uploaded in portal.
You don't know is it uploaded or not?
I don't know.
It is always uploaded.
मैम ये what names है मैम ये मैम कोई बीच में बोल रहा है मैम.
Yes, that's why I'm muting everyone.
मैम ये किस नाम से है मैम ये किस नाम से है.
Beta, let us continue our teaching.
मैम बस
Hold on. Yes. So this will be there. You have to write it down in your copies. I am moving ahead. You have, I think so you all have taken a screenshot, or this video will be uploaded in the portal. So then also you can write it down. So let us move ahead. I can see many students are busy in their dance, singing, enjoying, playing. So better you all go out of my class and do all these things, children. Okay, so it will be better for you. Now, these are the three forms. Few words are given: teach, taught, taught, led, led, know, knew, known, hang, hung, hung, feed, fed, fed, drink, drank, drunk. These are the words which you have to learn it. Those who are studying from me first time, let me make the things very clear. If you all irritate me in my class, I will stop teaching forever. Regular and irregular verbs, children. If a verb is regular, the past simple or past participle ends with ed. Jesse, these are the words you can see: infinitive, clean, cleaned, finish, finished, use, used, point, pointed, stop, stopped, carry, carried. So if a verb is a regular verb, the past simple and the past participle end with past simple or past participle दोनों के दोनों ed से end होते हैं. This is for your betterment. I'm just pausing. You can read it afterwards also. We will directly move to the exercises. Everything is written here. You can go through it afterwards also. Cheshta, I will talk to you later. First, we will solve this. Write the past simple or the past participle of these verbs. The past simple and past participle are the same for all the verbs in this exercise. Make, please, all of you write down in your copy. This exercise I'm showing it to you all, but after this I won't be showing you. Write down the question and the answer both. All of you please write it down. Make, made, cut, cut. Few verbs remain in the same way as it is. They don't change at all. They remain in the same way. Get, got. Bring, brought. Pay, paid. Enjoy, enjoyed. Buy, bought. Sit, sat. Leave, left. Happen, happened. These are the regular verbs, and when they have been changed to past participle, they are being added with the verb plus ed. Hear, heard, put, catch, caught, watch, watched, understand, understood. I hope so you all have written. Or else you can take a screenshot. Same way, write the past simple and the past participle of these verbs. I hope so you all are writing and continuing the same. Break. Yes, all are having problem. Kumar Pal, what happened? Kumar Pal, what happened? Any doubt? Any doubt, Kumar Pal? Chahat, any doubt? Chahat? Don't raise your hand without any sense. Chahat?
मैम मैम वो पहले का रिजाइन किया हुआ था, इसीलिए मैम वो रिजाइन लोअर हैंड करना भूल गए थे.
Okay. बेटा. Please write it down, all of you, very important. You can write the question. You can see my cursor. You can write this question and in front of that answer, or else you can write this 1 to 14. Take a screenshot, write it afterwards. We will solve few more exercises in the class itself. I'm reading it out. You can also read out with me without switching on the mic. Break, broke, broken. Eat, ate, eaten. So what they are doing, which forms? Past simple and past participle. So you can write in this form also. I'm writing on the board. You can go through it. Just look into it. Just see it. We have to write in the form of. We can draw one table. Or we can draw one table. Can you all see, children? This is the main verb. Hold on. This is the main verb. You can make a table, right? And you can draw two more columns. Say, in one column you write past, past simple. And in another column you will write past participle. So in this manner, if you write down, it is very easy for you all to learn. How you write? Break is the main verb, and then after you can write broke, broken, broke, right? Broken. This is the best way to learn. If you have to learn, children, because in the higher classes we won't be giving you all or providing all this whole chart. Okay, this is very important, and I expect this from you all that you should write it there in your prior copy itself. So, how will you explain? Break, broke, broken, eat, eat, ate, right? Eaten. You can put serial number to side, one more column. Okay. Begin. Begin. Now began, begun. Began, begun. In this manner, if you write down, children, it is very easy for you all to understand and to keep the things in mind forever to not create any kind of issues. Okay, this is the best way to learn. Now, I will move into the next exercise for you all. Very interesting, children. Put the verb in the right form. Now, till now, you have seen many words were there. Okay, and in those words, with the help of those words, we have transformed those words into two main types: past simple and past participle. You also have to do the same thing in these fill in the blanks. The main verb is given to you all, and that main verb will convert into past simple or past participle that you have to take care of. Okay. For example, I dashed my hands because they were dirty. I dashed my hands because they were dirty. So which form of verb will come in this fill in the blanks? Now I will be asking you a question. Dave, stop doing this or else please move out. Okay, one by one you can answer. Yes, Chahat. Answer please. Chahat, answer please.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I washed my hands because they were dirty.
Very good. Correct answer. So in this manner, one by one you are going to answer me. Wait, beta. Hold on. Yes. So please note down the whole sentence or else take a screenshot. I will repeat it. Now you can orally give me the answers. Afterwards, you have to write it in your pair copies. Am I very clear to everyone?
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, can you send it in the group?
My dear, it will be available in the portal.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay? It will be available in the portal. So don't take tension at all. Fine. So
And ma'am, please add me to the group.
who has made the group?
Ma'am, by mistake I've left the group, so I have to add.
Fine. We will take care of it afterwards. Now you study now. Now, somebody has dashed this window pane. Somebody has dashed this window pane. खिड़की का पल्ला, पेन. पेन मीन्स हर्ट वाला पेन नहीं. PAN पेन मीन्स पल्ला. ठीक है, खिड़की का पल्ला. ब्रेक. Which form of verb will come in this sentence? Somebody has dashed his window pane. Which verb will come? V1, V2 or V3? Somebody has...
Break.
Yes?
Somebody has broke.
Okay, you keep your answer with you now. Let us move to the third answer. I feel good. What I feel? I feel good. I dashed very last night. So we have to, the main verb is sleep. We have to convert that sleep into which form?
Slept.
Slept. Good. We dashed a very good film yesterday. We dashed. Huh? Saw. Okay. It
We
dashed
saw very good film.
while we were on holiday.
It rained a lot while we were on holiday.
Okay, very good. I have dashed my bag. I have
Lost.
very good, very good.
Lost.
My bag.
I have lost my bag. Have you
Have you dashed it?
saw it?
Saw it.
Have you
Have you?
saw?
If
Is it saw?
no.
Will it be saw?
I went to the bed yesterday.
Okay, I went to bed early because I was tired. Very good.
I was tired.
Yes. Have you dashed your work yet?
Finished your work.
Perfect.
Finished.
Very good. Good and
Finished.
good going.
Finished.
This house
Finished.
Have you finished your work yet?
have patience. Next sentence. Have you dashed your work yet? Have you dashed your work yet?
Finished.
Finished. Good. This house
Finished.
has... Okay, beta, okay.
Built. This house was built about 15 years ago. Built.
Good.
Built.
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 B-U-I-L-T.
Learned.
Now,
Learned.
Learned.
To drive when he was 18.
now see the answers.
Washed, broken, sleep, soaring, lost.
Manya, stop doing all this thing.
को मैं काट को उधर रख देना.
Stop doing all this thing on the screen. Okay. You all have seen the answers?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What you have to learn? Children, what you have to learn? All the three forms of verb.
Verb.
Yes.
Verbs.
Now, let us solve the next exercise.
Complete these sentences.
टीवी बंद करना थोड़ी देर 5 मिनट बाद.
Have patience.
I have made some coffee. Would you like?
I have made some coffee.
You like?
I have made some coffee.
Have you seen Mr. Chan? I have made coffee. Would you like some?
Would you like some? Have you dashed? Have you dashed? Mr. Jain?
Have you told Mr. Dash, Mr. Jain about you wanted?
About the book you wanted. Have you? What will come?
Have you told Mr. Jain about the book you wanted?
What will be the answer?
Speak his sister.
Have you? What will be the answer?
Have you told?
Have you told Mr. Jain what you wanted? Have you told?
Good. We were dash. I know Sohan,
हाँ वापस
but I have never dashed his sister. I know
अरे फोन आ
Sohan,
गया
but I never dashed his
कौन सा
sister. What will be the answer?
किसका फोन है मेरे लिए ही होगा
Ma'am, which question?
I am in this question. Exercise number 4.
Ma'am, which number?
I am asking third
किसका
one.
है
We played cricket on Sunday. We did not play very well, but we
One.
won. WON. Won.
On Sunday, we did not play very well, but we won.
Yes. I know Sohan, but I have never dashed his sister.
Meg,
Yes, Meg.
his sister.
Yes. Very good. Very good. We were dashed by loud music in the middle of the night. We were what will come?
टीवी को तो गया फालतू का चालू करके रखा
Ma'am, woke up. We were woke up.
Good.
कर ले वैसे भी तक आता है
Mohan jumped into the river and swam to the other side.
Very good. What
Mohan jumped into the river and swam to the other side. Did you
all
like
are
the
speaking
film?
together.
Yes.
I request you all to speak one by one.
Many
Mohan jumped
Many
into the
different
river and dashed to the other side.
एक्चुअली यहाँ से बहुत आवाज आ रही है
Swam.
Did you like the film? Yes, I.
Did you like the film? Yes, I dash. It was very good.
क्या
I
करते
spoke it. I speak.
नहीं अभी 2 मिनट बाकी है
Yes, I spoke it. चला दिया है. Did you like this film? Yes, it was too good.
मैम रेशमा के यहाँ से आवाज आ रही है
Many different languages are spoken in India. Spoken in India. Many different languages are spoken in India.
In India. Very good.
Holiday
Our holiday dashed the
cost a lot. Our holiday cost a lot of money because we stayed in an expensive hotel.
Good job. Have you ever
Have you ever sold a? Have you ever drive a very fast car?
लगते
very fast car.
Yes, it will remain the same. All the tickets for the show were
Tickets for show were sold very easily.
sold very quickly. Very quickly.
A bird flew in through the open window while we were having our dinner.
Yes.
मैम कृष्ण क्या बोल रही है कब से?
Yes.
Flow. FLOWN.
Now I am muting everyone. Yes. Now these are the answers. I'm waiting for 30 seconds. So that it will remain in the portal and you can note down all the exercises, at least minimum 3 to 4 exercises. Last year, your English teacher has given you a booklet and showed you a booklet of 3 forms of verb. And even that also, what I have shown you just now, it also consists of many words. V1, V2, V3, all the 3 forms of verb, main verb, past simple and past participle. This you have to learn very well. You have to practice very well so that there will be no obstruction in between. solving the examples. This I am doing it in the class so that everyone can practice as much as you can, because this practice only will make you more perfect for your upcoming exam. Children, here in this class, don't expect from me that I will give only the grammar portion from your book. Once I have explained you all the topic, that means everything is very clear to everyone. You have to do what? You have to be very careful when I am making you solve exercises. I can take questions from anywhere, as because it is exactly like mathematics. In mathematics, addition, subtraction, multiplication, if you once you know that, it is very easy to solve. But if you don't know, then it becomes very difficult to solve. I am not going to give questions only from the book. I can give any from any corner of the book. Right? So let us move ahead with this exercise also. And I will show you. I'm keeping it at the pause position. You all can start solving. I'm not going to ask, you can write the answers in the chat box. I am going to take an umbrella with me. I am going to take an umbrella with me. It is dash. We have to again write the correct form of verb. Why it is raining? Why are you so tired? Did you dash to bed late last night? Where are the chocolates? Have you dashed them all? Again, you have to choose the main word from the words given above, and you have to write the correct form of verb. How is your new job? Are you dashed it? Are you enjoying it? My uncle's car was badly dashed in the accident, but I was okay. Badly damaged. Mrs. Kapoor has got a car, but she does not dash it very often. Okay. Now what will come, you have to understand it. Shalini is not at home. She has dashed for a few days. She has. Write down the answers. I don't dash the problem. Can you explain it again? I don't understand the problem. Nikhil is in the room. He is dashed to music. I'm showing you the answers, children. Again, I'm showing you the new exercise. By here, we end our today's class. Thank you so much for listening to me very patiently and practicing all the questions. That's very good. Good job done from our students of class 6. Great day ahead. Take care. Bye-bye. Bye, children.